UK driving test fails. 5 common mistakes that will make you fail instantly.
Forget mirrors? Big fail. Examiners, watch your eyes. Check blind spots always.
Brake too early at junctions? Faye, commit clearly or miss your chance. Wrong lane on roundabouts? Instant fail. Pick your exit before you enter.
Didn't stop for pedestrians? MAJORFAL. Always give way. It's the law.
Stalling? Bad clutch? Lost show me, tell me? Instant fail. Master these.
Examiner's a secret. Staying calm is KEY. Ask them to repeat instructions. Want to pass FIRST TRI in 2026? Subscribe for more UK Easy Life secrets. Click now.